The year is 2025. In a gleaming Bengaluru office park, a silent revolution is underway. This isn't the familiar hum of call centers or coders on outsourced projects. A young developer, Priya, describes software architecture in plain English. And code appears, written by AI. Generative AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a collaborator, a competitor, and a catalyst. The transformation is rapid, creating excitement and anxiety across India. The IT industry, contributing nearly 8% to India's GDP and employing over 5 million, is being upended. The old model of labor arbitrage is being challenged by intelligent algorithms that can code, debug, and design. The rulebook is being rewritten. The urgent questions: what does this mean for jobs? Can India pivot fast enough to lead this new revolution? From TCS to startups in Tier 2 cities, everyone faces the same challenge: adapt or become obsolete. This is about the aspirations of 1 billion people and the future of India's economy. The story of generative AI in India is the story of India itself in the 21st century. The stakes have never been higher. Generative AI isn't just a tool, it's a creative partner. It can write poetry, compose music, draft contracts, or generate images from text. This technology is spreading rapidly across India, accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Over 60% of Indian IT firms are integrating generative AI into their operations. Freelancers like Rohan in Pune now quadruple their productivity using AI tools. Startups are building chatbots in Indian languages, and Bollywood scriptwriters are brainstorming with AI. India now has one of the highest rates of AI skill penetration globally, driven by a young, tech-savvy population. Online courses on AI are booming. The conversation has shifted from "what is generative AI?" to "how can I use it to get ahead?" This grassroots adoption is forcing the entire industry to accelerate its transformation. The AI wave is sweeping from boardrooms to B-towns, changing how India works and creates. Generative AI has ignited a fierce debate about jobs in India. The fear: will entry-level coders and BPO workers be replaced by algorithms? The reality: it's a massive realignment, not just mass unemployment. Repetitive, rules-based jobs are at risk, but new roles are emerging: AI prompt engineer, AI ethics officer, and more. The focus is shifting from execution to strategy, from doing to thinking. Upskilling is now a necessity, not a buzzword. The half-life of technical skills is shrinking. Adaptability is key. Critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving are more valuable than ever. The government, academia, and industry must collaborate to reskill the workforce at scale. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human judgment and empathy. Developers will review and refine AI-generated code. Customer service agents will handle complex, emotional cases. The future is not man versus machine, but man and machine working together. This synergy can elevate human potential. The new world of work is already here. India's IT giants, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, are pivoting fast in the face of generative AI. They're moving from service providers to innovation partners for global clients. The strategy: infuse AI into every service and create new AI-first offerings. TCS's AI Wisdom Next and Infosys's Topaz are proprietary platforms helping clients accelerate transformation. Upskilling is critical. Infosys and Wipro are training hundreds of thousands of employees in AI. The nature of client projects is changing. It's about growth, innovation, and new revenue streams. Indian IT firms now co-create solutions, moving from the back office to the boardroom. By embracing generative AI, these giants are redefining their global role. The transformation is high stakes but essential for survival. The next decade belongs to those who adapt. While IT giants adapt, a new wave of startups is rewriting the rules. These entrepreneurs see generative AI as the ultimate opportunity, not a threat. Startups like Sarvam AI and Krutrim are building foundational models for Indian languages and contexts. Venture capital is pouring in, fueling rapid innovation and attracting top talent. Startups are solving real-world problems: AI tools for farmers, marketing platforms for small businesses, and more. The focus is on local impact. Solutions built for India, by India. This energy is creating a virtuous cycle of innovation and investment. The startup rebellion is making AI accessible and meaningful for millions. They're not just building technology, they're building a more inclusive future. Generative AI is transforming every sector of the Indian economy. In banking, AI chatbots offer personalized advice in multiple languages and detect fraud with precision. Healthcare startups use AI to analyze medical images, predict outbreaks, and manage resources, bringing advanced care to remote areas. Retail and e-commerce are being reimagined with AI-driven personalization, from product recommendations to virtual assistants. Agriculture benefits from AI-optimized crop yields. Education sees personalized learning paths for students. AI is a force multiplier, amplifying human capabilities across industries. The Kirana store of the future may have an AI-powered inventory manager. Generative AI is solving India's biggest challenges, making services smarter and more accessible. The revolution is reaching every corner of daily life. Generative AI's rapid rise brings real risks. Job displacement could worsen social inequalities if benefits are not shared widely. The digital divide could become an AI divide, deepening exclusion. AI models can inherit biases, leading to discrimination or misinformation. Strong ethical guardrails and regulatory frameworks are essential. Data privacy is a major concern. AI needs vast data, raising questions about collection and protection. The Digital Personal Data Protection Act is a start, but enforcement is key. Over-reliance on opaque AI systems poses reliability and security risks. Society must engage in dialogue to ensure AI is used responsibly. Navigating these challenges requires vigilance, transparency, and collective action. Harnessing generative AI for India means building an inclusive ecosystem. Education must shift from rote learning to critical thinking and digital literacy. Massive reskilling initiatives are needed. Skill. India must become AI Skill India. Grassroots innovation should be nurtured, with incubation centers and seed funding in smaller cities. Democratizing access to computing power and data is vital. Initiatives like the India AI Mission and stronger academia-industry collaboration are crucial. AI systems must be transparent, accountable, and free from bias. Public consultation should guide AI's development, aligning with societal values. Collaboration across government, industry, and academia is essential. By working together, India can build an AI-powered future that is just and equitable. The goal opportunity for all, from Mumbai to Arunachal Pradesh. India stands at a historic crossroads, its narrative being redefined. The generative AI era offers a chance to move from IT service provider to global innovator. The dream of $1 trillion digital economy is within reach. AI is the catalyst. India's strengths: a young tech-savvy population, vibrant democracy, and diverse data. Our diversity is an asset for building inclusive, representative AI. This journey demands bold investments in research, education, and infrastructure. Difficult conversations about ethics and the future of work are inevitable. India's spirit of resilience and aspiration has driven past technological leaps. Now, we can build products for the world and solve problems that matter. The age of generative AI is here. India's time to lead has arrived. This is our new tryst with destiny.